Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. The starting metal is epoxide. One side you have hydrogen, another side you have methyl group. Reacting with sodium methoxide, you should find what will be the final product. The reaction controlled by the stereochemistry because you have nucleophile which is MEO minus. It can attack either way, that is called regioselectivity. It can attack either methyl side or hydrogen side. When compared to methyl side, hydrogen side is less steric. So the attack happen in the B way, not A way. So the B attack happened, you have the ring opening. The ring opening will be faster because ring strain is relieved. So it's a strain assisted reaction. The one more fact you should know here is SN2 reaction is happening, so it need always steric pre-position. That's why attack happen in the less steric way. The final product, the anion is quenched, you have alcohol there. The concept you have to learn here is regioselectivity. Even steric effect can dictate the regioselectivity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.